Hello, hello, hello. Ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How's everyone doing today? Happy Monday. All right. We had a pretty eventful Sunday yesterday. However, today has been uneventful because they undid the event from yesterday. How you guys doing today? Smash the like button on your way in. Hey! Happy Monday, guys. We are officially entering It's Time to Lock In episode 3 because the same exact thing keeps happening to the markets every single day. And there's really nothing else to it. It's kind of weird. It's getting to that point where it's kind of weird. Bitcoin is currently trading at $86,396. What do you know? Bitcoin dominance, 61.41. Having some trouble, actually. A lot of bullish and bearish engulfing going on right here. Some indecisiveness, if you will. Ethereum currently trading at 2154. I got a little disclaimer here, just in case I end up coughing into the mic. I do believe I'm coming down with something. And I don't get sick. I get sick like once every 3 to 5 years. So it's about to go down. Teach said, yo, remember I called Crow might be starting to pump yesterday? It did. Thought it dumped today like everything. Though it dumped today like everything. Okay, nice. I do remember that, actually. That was one of the ones that we forgot to look at. But he said first, damn tariffs to hell. Yeah, the tariffs are really, really harshing the vibe, aren't they? Janix said GM, Janix. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining. Happy Monday. Got this part of my beard I can't, like, tame. I got beard oil. I guess I gotta get the beard gel or whatever it's called. And, like, properly tame the beard. Chris Klein said, hello, sir. Hello, Chris Klein. Welcome to the channel membership, my good friend. Let's update our liquidation heat map. Fahid said, now we stopping nickel flow from Ontario to y'all. Oh, well, Nickelback is from Canada as well, so some people are going to be upset about that. Was that a stupid joke? I was kind of proud of it. Can you hear my throat? I can hear it. I can feel it, Mr. Krabs. I'm effed up today. Wow, 160.95 million. Where is that? Where even is that? Am I crazy? I don't see it. Is it back here? Oh, somebody right there got liquidated. Oh, no. This is why you can't FOMO longs at the top. Local top. Let's see. We got a liquidation 33,084,253. Oops. I will say, what was I going to say? 87,746. Oh, we had a very large CME gap that we have officially filled as of today. 88,124. And let me just, I guess, go up to the big one up here. 111,094,072. Okay. So that's where we're at as far as the gist of the liquidation points are. We got a lot of alts down double digits. Actually, the majority of them, which is crazy because HBAR hardly moved yesterday. And it's down 14% today, which is a huge buzzkill. I thought that they were curing cancer. Turns out they're just theorizing about the cure for cancer. Chris Klein is making use of his membership emojis. Very nice. He also said, glad to be able to catch another live stream today. This market is crazy. Dude, this market is crazy, actually. Like, I fully expect 20 to 40% pullbacks during the bull market. I'm not expecting, like, V-shaped recoveries and then N-shaped dips. I don't even know what you would call that. Triangle-shaped. just insta dumps. It's crazy, man. It's getting spicy for real. Tishu said, also remember I said RTX stocks pumps when everything else dumps. Look what it did. Okay. Oh, that's not crypto. Nice. Very nice. Nice little 8%. Well, no, actually, a couple of days. Yeah, wow. Ooh. Well, not July. July is a little too far. January. Let's go February. Probably like 27th is fair, I think. 5%. That's pretty good for stocks. Very good. Yes, stock market, honestly, I don't want to be that guy. But expanding our horizons and to also like include stocks might not be a bad idea. That'll be majority of the way crypto. But we start talking about stocks and stuff, maybe we can get a little more or less volatility, a little more long-term investment. Because I like my crypto bags for like 5 to 10 year outlook. I like stocks for further than that. Maybe I want to use my stocks to retire. Who knows? Let's go through our charts. I'll try to keep up. I might not talk as much as normal. Sol down 20% today. Retrace the entire pump. Currently sitting at 143. Total 3. Down 11% today. Retrace the entire pump. Currently sitting at 817 billion. It is, though, I will say, lining up beautifully with the White Buffalo fractal at the moment. White Buffalo fractal 2.0. Actually, I believe we called this one the Terra fractal. Am I wrong? Where's the name? Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe the Terra fractal is somewhere else. But yeah, looking good with the fractal at the moment. Hopefully it doesn't decouple, even though it already decoupled to the downside and to the upside. We'll see if we keep up the general trajectory. Then I'll be happy. ADA is down 23.5%. However, that is not the entire pump. It has only retraced about half of the pump. It was originally up 70%, and it's currently retraced 23, 20, 30, yeah. So it's about halfway, which is nice. ADA currently trading at 86 cents. SNEK is currently down 30% from the local high. It is down 30%. So did it close at the top? That's actually kind of crazy. SNEK currently trading at 0.004. My opinion, nice buy opportunity if you're interested. Not financial advice. XRP currently trading at $2.41. XRP is actually holding up quite nicely as well. It did not quite eat up the entire dump. Seems like the three... Well, actually, no, Sol did eat the entire dump. The FUD on Sol must be like extra potent FUD. I'm just gonna... I don't know. I don't know why ADA would hold up better than Sol. Maybe there's more return potential just because of the market cap. That could be what it is. But yeah, XRP currently trading at 241, holding up very nicely. XRP Army kind of busting their ass. They tried to break through $3, which would have been incredibly impressive. I'm kind of just impressed that it's still holding up, like above up here. XRP is still very much in profit. HBAR is down 14.6% on the day, currently trading at 22 cents. I don't think HBAR's retraced most of the pump. I think this is part of the pump as well. So HBAR is about halfway, I'll call it. But swift rejection at the accumulation zone resistance, which is crazy. It literally rejected like right on that line. That's impressive. I will say though, maybe it's doing the thing. Maybe everything is doing this thing where it gets a rejection, finds some support, and then springboards to the upside. This might genuinely be, as much as it sucks to flip-flop so often with the price, because it makes you feel like you're being unreliable when you say, maybe this is a bullish retest from the breakout. Because you don't want to feel that way. You don't want to like say that and plan for that and then it go lower, then you feel like an idiot. But then if you get into that mentality cycle, eventually it's going to keep going lower and you're going to sell because you're going to get mad, and then everything's going to go up 50% in one day and you're going to miss it. And that sucks. I went through that so many times last bull market. I had it like instilled into my brain. When the price is down, you do not sell your bags at all. Zero, none, zip. So you gotta have a plan, stick to it, and if part of your plan is not to sell red candles, then don't sell red candles. But we do have to entertain the idea that this is potentially a bullish retest on all of these assets. And we do have to entertain the idea that maybe this move is just being completely retraced. Maybe we're going to enter a recession. Maybe this time is different and the 4-year cycle is over. We have to entertain all of those ideas. As much as it sucks, I'm still going to maintain my bullish bias. SWE is currently trading at $2.63. Not a lot of pump from SWE. A lot of dump though. I guess maybe, yeah, 20%'s okay. So SWE did okay. But a retrace majority of the move. For now, RSI is looking a little peckish. Ondo's currently down 16%. 11% candle right there, actually. Ondo was holding up very nicely until the last 4-hour candle, it seems. We'll see if it sticks with the trajectory of the inverse Batman. It looks like it wanted to. It really wanted to. And then it just kind of gave up. But who knows? Who knows, man? They could announce crazy things at any moment. Like, the fact that that announcement that we got yesterday came on a Sunday was pretty sick. I'm not going to lie. Ergo is down 17.2%. This thing retraced the entire bull move as well. It wasn't much of a move for Aerodrome, though. 15%. Pretty mediocre. Render's down 15%. Break back below the $4 accumulation zone area, which I pointed out recently that we've done in the past, and it's usually a buy, so we'll see if that continues to be the case. Polkadot down 13.39% at the moment. Still keeping up with the trajectory. I'm going to see. We're going to just keep an eye on this and see if it continues. A lot of these are setting up higher lows at the moment, which is great. Keep an eye on that. CAS retraced the entire move. Not much of a move. CAS still kind of looks like doo-doo. Avalanche down 15.39%, along with everything else, retraced the entire move. Schwab down 16%, retraced the entire move, and then some. Schwab still setting lower lows, which is not great. Chainlink, higher low, down 16%. Looking good still, in my opinion. I don't know if this is manipulation. I don't know what you want to call it. The thing was overbought, and it's sold off. These giant monster candles, couldn't tell you what they are. Maybe it's people taking profit. Maybe it's people exiting the market. I have no idea. Doge is down 16%, retraced the entire move. Got a rejection as well. Polygon Matic Pole down 15%. This thing's setting lower lows. Not looking good for Polygon Matic Pole. Nears down 15%. Got a rejection off of the orange trend line. Couldn't quite make it above it. And Chili's is down 12.6%. Potentially setting a new low. New local low. Silver got a little bit pumpy today. MicroStrategy got a little bit dumpy today. Filled a gap though. Beautiful gap fill. DXY got a little bit dumpy today. NASDAQ got dumpy today. And the S&P, par for the course with our updated tariff fractal. That's where the tariff fractal is. So far holding. Got dumpy, but we're not in a bad spot yet. I'm expecting potentially tomorrow a huge rise, honestly. Hopefully. And this is purely speculation based on the last time, I believe it's right here, we had any kind of retrace like this. That's the smaller of the two. The other one is definitely several dumps and retraces until recovery, followed by one more. So if we got this right here, in my opinion, perfect move to shake people out. Because you get this, people are like, oh, we're going back up. Okay, we're going to go back up right now. Okay, we're going up now? I told you. And then it goes down one more time. Then they're like, F this, sell. And then they're out. But then the price goes up. And then they're sitting at home miserable because they just, like, lost all of that opportunity because they sold the last dip. Crazy. Not financial advice, but, you know, you got to take that into consideration. Would you rather lose like 10 to 15% in the next 2-3 days? Or would you rather risk missing the 30, 40, 50% pump that could come later on? You know, what's the risk reward for you specifically? because I don't know your financial situation. You don't know mine. Maybe I have millions of dollars and I only have a fraction of it into crypto. You have no idea. And maybe you have millions of dollars and only a fraction of it into crypto. So, two-way street. Nobody knows anyone else's situation. You got to kind of make plans for yourself. But I'm still of the mindset that we're going to go up, personally. Bitcoin's currently trading at $86,352.21. Let me check the chat. All right. T-Stew said, don't look too much at stocks, but RTX specifically, I've noticed that inverse correlation. Nice. Fahid said, we need a March 7th miracle. I'm sure we'll get one, honestly. Jay Benaby said, sup, brother? What's going on, Jay? T-Stew said, that depends. One of my first buys was SHIB around May 2021, and I panic sold when it started to dip the next day, and it saved me from a massive loss. See, everyone's got their own situation, man. Everyone's got their own situation. T-Stew said that depend. Oh yeah, I read that. May 2021. And yesterday, a little bit of green. Today, a little bit of red. Yep. These are bull and bear market moves. As much as they suck, the volatility is great for traders. I will say the rejection off of this downtrend line that everyone was talking about yesterday doesn't look great. But again, bullish retest, rejection, continuation. Maybe that's what happens. We did fill the CME gap. So there's a bullish case and a bearish case for every scenario in the chart. I, for one, am ready for both. That does not mean that I'm not going to complain if the one that is against my biased happens. Let's do a quick update on the portfolio. We were looking good yesterday. And we've since retraced the entire move. When we refresh, let's look at this chart. Damn. Let's go to the 7-day. Yep. Beautiful move. Completely retraced. Currently down about $150 on the Memecoin portfolio. Let's go to our 1K to 10K portfolio. We are currently down $40. So, goes to show if you would have bought over the course of the last 3-4 days, you wouldn't be down too bad. Now, if you would have bought yesterday, you probably would be down quite a bit. That sucks for those people. But a lot of people enter the market on those moves. This could have been the buy zone for a lot of new people. I have no idea. Let's do Google Trends. Crypto past 90 days. Okay, so January got a lot of attention. Cryptocurrency. Same thing, January, a lot of attention. So right now we're about 50% still, but we did get a nice spike up. We pretty much doubled the interest. Huck to a girl crypto had a breakout. No, it did not. Where? Okay, December. That's fine. Jeez. Shannon Max said, Ayo, I'm here. Like and share. Yeah, guys, smash the like button. Appreciate you guys for joining me. Trying not to die here. My throat is fucked though. I can feel it. It sucks so bad. I was fully expecting the tea to help, but it did not. Okay, Bitcoin interest is spiking. Let's do a test. XRP. Spike. Sol. Oh, wow. Really? December 14th was the big day? For real? ADA. This is the past 90 days. It's at 100? Whoa. Dude, Idaho loves their ADA. That's funny. ADA versus DEI. Is that different? Okay, so I don't think that these people are actually looking at anything related to cryptocurrency. That's funny, man. That is too funny. All right. Bitcoin's currently trading at $86,509. We got 13 minutes until the daily close contest. Oh, Tishu said, isn't it better to change it to worldwide? I don't know. I've never, honestly, Google Trends is not my, not something I'm experienced with. Worldwide. Cryptocurrency. Okay, yeah. Worldwide. Okay, little baby spike. 64%. Crypto. Oh, actually, kind of a growing interest that's dying out. Bitcoin. Growing interest that's dying out. And XRP. Growing interest dying out. Sol. Okay, Sol is just growing over time consistently. Is this just the past day that I've been looking at? Again? I'm going to do the past 12 months. Okay, so Sol has been pretty even. XRP. You almost doxed yourself. Be careful. XRP is going up. ADA. 70 to 75. It's pretty good. Let me do Cardano. Because ADA's pretty vague term. Okay, Cardano's huge. Oh my gosh. Netherlands? Hell yeah. All right, nice. Everyone's trying to educate themselves in Cardano now. They're like, why is it Cardano? All right. Bitcoin currently trading at 86,560. Tishu said you could use another profile in your browser without opening any personal stuff. There's nothing really crazy on this computer or this browser that would really screw me over. Another browser, maybe. Just so I can avoid... I've tried turning off the search suggestions. I don't know how to do that, though. Like, every time I think I got it, it doesn't work. We got the daily close contest coming up in about 10 minutes. Total 3. Everything looks like it wants to recover. I think a lot of people are really skittish at the moment because of tariffs. There's a lot of uncertainty in the market. I'm wondering why they're scheduling stuff the way they are. It seems like there's a broader game at play. In my brain, I don't want it to be just something as simple and stupid as market manipulation for like insider trading and like profit taking and shit, because that's such a lame answer. And I don't know. I just refuse to believe that it's something that lame. Because they could have done that without any of this publicity, like fake bullshit, you know, establishing a cryptocurrency reserve. They could do that without any of that stuff. So why would they set themselves up for potential, like, to get in trouble? Honestly, if we ate this up overnight, I think that would be really funny. So it's not going to be bearish engulfing unless it really dumps down, which is good. As long as we close above 86.64 and 54 cents, we'll be okay. As far as the bearish engulfing scenario goes. Have we had any situations like this, I wonder? Are we going to do a W maybe? I could see that. You know, people die out a little more and then it does one of these. It's like an inverse McDonald's. Yeah. Okay, yeah, look at how good XRP looks. XRP and ADA held up really well during this dump for some reason. But Sol just completely ate it, man. I kind of feel bad. Something happened in the past, like, I don't know if it's the past month or past 2 months. Everyone just out of nowhere just turned on Ethereum and Cardano, like hard. It got spicy, man. People were mad, and I don't know what. Like, I don't know why. Seems very, very coordinated to me. And maybe that's tinfoil hat conspiracy theorists. Maybe we got to do the tinfoil hat. But if you think about it, Ethereum's going to be in the strategic reserve. Solana's going to be in the strategic. Look at that. Ethereum completely ate that move. And it's lower now. Are you kidding me? That's crazy. So, all of these are going to be in the strategic reserve. And out of nowhere, suddenly, all these meme coins are launching on Sol and their rugs. And then all of a sudden, everybody suddenly has this like moral high ground. And they're like, people are scamming us on Solana? That's not okay. And it's really weird to me. It's so weird. Because people have been saying that for years now. That Solana is just a shitcoin casino and Ethereum doesn't work. You're not going to tell me everybody woke up in 2025 and said, Solana's a shitcoin casino and Ethereum doesn't work. I'm going to sell those coins and talk crap about them on Twitter. That didn't just happen overnight. There's something going on. I'm not buying it. But I don't know, maybe I'm a paranoid, delusional opium addict. I'm not the biggest fan of either of these projects, but I don't think that they deserve all the hate and FUD that they've been getting. I think that that's crazy. Because the same thing happened to XRP and Cardano. I'm just saying. Solana and Ethereum were like the darlings of the market. Literally up until a month ago. Let's see, is there anything in the chart that looks similar to this? Hoff said, that's why I said yesterday, don't buy on those days. Yeah, you guys, if there's ever a crazy green day, you shouldn't FOMO. Sometimes FOMOing works, but majority of the time it does not. Especially like that, when you got like 50 to 60% candles. It's probably a bad time. Fahid said ETH looks dead. ETH looks dead on more than just the price chart as well, which is what really kind of fascinates me. Because they have not been making as much revenue as they normally do either, which is interesting. Mr. Roberts said, hey, good people. Well, that sucked today. Just dropping in to hit the like and play the close. All right. Fahid said Peter Schiff has been on a roll today. About time he's telling some truths. What's he saying? I did see that he said gold or Bitcoin is like digital gold, which is better than analog gold, which is hilarious because he sells analog gold on his website. Maybe he's getting ready to like implement a Bitcoin option. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why he suddenly has a change of heart. I don't know, though. I don't know. We'll see. If he legitimately comes out and says, I looked into this and I realized I was wrong, then I'll have some respect for the guy. I will. I promise. Teach Juice said, I saw a mini documentary from National Geographic about rug pulls and crypto for those that want to see where the money goes. Title is Crypto Scams. Full episode trafficked with Mariana Van Zeller. Nice. Yeah, we're just waiting for the close at this point. We got less than 3 minutes. Let's see if Vahid and Hoffs can settle their beef. If Vahid is going to take back his spot. or if Waterfly is going to come in and toss a wrench into the whole thing and take another win from them. We got this yellow line that I drew on here, and I'm not sure what time frame it's from, but it seems to be relevant with the current RSI level. Was it on the weekly? No. What is that from? Doesn't really make sense for it to be from any other time frame, does it? Because it definitely ain't from the daily. It's weird. Let's see. We're right at like 50 on the RSI right now. Ooh, is that it? Nope. Hold on. I don't know. That might be it right there. Little trend line, little RSI trend line action. I kind of like that. I don't mind that at all. That's from bear market entry from 2022 all the way up till right now. All right, let me get down to the 1 minute time frame and zoom in. Guys, we got the daily close contest coming up in exactly 48 seconds. Get your guesses ready. Oh, I can't spell today. And I hope I'm not actually sick. That would be such a bummer. I went to work today for a couple hours. I felt like crap all day, man. Like all day. And I was like, maybe it's just a stupid thing. I got home. I like woke up feeling like crap. Made my tea. Like hoping that it would make me feel better. It didn't make me feel better. I guess it helps me take my minds off the market. Maybe it'll set me up for a really nice entry. All right, there we go. Daily close contest. Get your guesses in. Teach you said you're welcome. All right, we got a guess from Shayna Mac. Copy. Oops. Teach you 86789.01. Mr. Roberts said, on a high note, I did get more cymbals today for my set and a clarinet for my youngest. Hell yeah. Mr. Roberts, you have a drum set? That's pretty badass, actually. Me and Anderson were just talking about playing drums. I'm not like a drummer. I play guitar and piano, but I did play drums in high school. I had a drum set. I was trying to learn, and it was so much fun, dude. It was so much fun. There's really nothing that comes close to it, in my opinion, at least, as far as like exhilarating experiences go, and even like therapeutic, because you can just beat the shit out of the drums, and it feels good. And if you hit them right, it sounds good, and it just makes you feel even better. I don't know, man. Something about it. Definitely something about it. Shannon Max said, making chicken for knuckle kid heads. Be right back. Mr. Roberts. 86068. Waterfly said, Mariana, beautiful woman. I told you he thinks I'm a beautiful woman. No, Waterfly, I will not go see the Mariana Trench with you. Please stop asking on my live streams. 86111.11. And Fahid, Waterfly, you're just in time. Get your guess in. Oh, 68. There he is. Let's go. 86811.12. Okay, if you guys see me typo your guess, say something, please. Twan Lee said, sup, JJ, what's your prediction for alt season to start? My prediction for alt season to start is Total 3 breaking all-time high, which is $1.13 trillion. It has not done that yet. It has touched it, but it has not broken it. As far as the date goes, I have no idea. I'm hoping it's this year, but you know, I'm not gonna say anyone's wrong if they think otherwise, because I have no clue. There's a lot of macroeconomic things happening that are completely outside of my area of expertise. But if Total 3 breaks 1.13 trillion, then I will call it alt season. Mr. Roberts said, it's so therapeutic. Drums are my main go-to, but I play most instruments. Nice. That's awesome. We got less than 2 minutes, 1 minute and 28 seconds remaining on the clock for the daily close contest. So get your guesses in. Also smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining me. I think I was going in order up until this point. Oops. I gotta order those when I'm done. We got Janix, who I believe won yesterday. 86,222.22. Okay. Less than 1 minute remaining on the clock. If you guys do not see your guess up on the chart, then that means that it did not go through. Sometimes YouTube filters it out. We currently have 8 guesses, 2 more spots available, unless Digi shows up and he wants to be in 11th. But that's entirely up to him. Let's see. 36 seconds remaining on the clock. Let me put Hoffs where he's got to go. Copy 111. Okay, so he just goes right above Mr. Roberts. 24 seconds remaining. 86,197. Copy. So he goes above Hoffs. Waterfly 86,811. Copy. Interesting. Really? Waterfly went super bullish today. What the heck? And Janix 86,222. 5 seconds remaining. 3, 2, 1. Time's up. No more guesses. Okay. Let's see. Janix 86,222.22. Copy. That goes above Fahid. All right. Currently, the price of Bitcoin is 86,202 and 67 cents. If it were to close right here, Fahid would be the winner. Oh, not anymore. 86,169.82. 86,168.17. That would make Hoffs the winner. It's going to be a close one today. What if I said my contrarian self? Let me make sure these are all in order. We got Mr. Roberts 86,068, Hoffs 86,111.11, Fahid 86,197.68, Janix 86,222.22, Shanamac 86,351.09, J Benaby 86,371, Tishju 86,789, and Waterfly 86,811. Yes, those are all in order. Currently trading at 86,196 with 4 minutes left on the clock. If we were to close right here, it's actually really freakishly close to Waterfly's guess. Or not, I'm sorry, not Waterfly. Fahid. But Hoffs at the moment would take the win. Closest without going over. 154. And there it goes, 100. It is now below Hoffs. Mr. Roberts is officially in the lead. I want to see if we can get a cool graphic of like the carnival horses to see who's gonna take it. I think that'd be fun. See if I could have somebody set that up. 86,120 and 75 cents. 3 minutes left on the clock. And it's going down. If it gets below 86, then nobody is going to win. Is it going to be one of those days? No, I feel like we could set a higher low. It is looking a little toppy, though, on the 1 minute. Potential head and shoulders. Double shoulder action. Interesting. 86,118 and 2 cents. See, it's hovering right at Hoffs. 111 and 54 cents. Shut the fuck up. Janik said should have just gone with $1. We do have a cool prize today for the chart specifically. 86.86 and 61 cents. 2 minutes and 4 seconds remaining. 86.70 is where that candle closed. 86.66 and 1 penny. Hoffs just went OMG. Mr. Robert said, hell yeah, Waters. I like the bullish guess. We are so ready for the cycle low to go the F away. Tell that to Canada and Mexico and China and their 25% tariffs. Jeez. Here we go. We're getting a nice wick. Unfortunately, it's heading towards Hoff's guess, which scares me because it's pretty close to hitting his number. 86.90. 1 minute, 22 seconds remaining. What if it hits Waterflies? You know how sick that would be? On multiple levels. For the lore. Do it for the lore, Bitcoin. Come on. 1 minute, 8 seconds remaining on the clock. 86.166 and 57 cents. Getting close to Fahid's guess again. There we go. This is the final minute to the final countdown. This is a candle that will determine the fate of the winner. Chewy comes in with his guess 9 minutes late. 86.111. He beat his normal time by about an hour. Happy to see you, Chewy. Thank you for joining us. Happy Monday. That's actually Chewy's guess for yesterday's daily close contest. 35 seconds remaining on the clock. I'm so tired. 86.213 at the moment. Fahid's going to take it, but it's very close to Janix. 218, 20 seconds left on the clock. I might owe Janix $100 here. 86.218 at 32 cents.
What?
Janix is catching up. He's very close. Oh, 86.230 and 78 cents. 225 and 65 cents. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is it Fahid or Janix? There it is. Hold on. 86.220 and 61 cents. Fahid takes the win. Let's go. 86.197 and 68 cents. Fahid is closest without going over. I just fucked up my throat and my screen. What have I done?
Oh my God,
what did I do? Okay, here we go. Congratulations, Fahid, on your win catching up. Did he take the tie back? Wow, what a game. What a game. Very entertaining. Super duper crazy. Unfortunately, Hoffs has to pay Janix for guessing so close to Fahid, because I know that that's the arrangement that they made. Because Hoffs, he can't use his alt account because it's the same name. Close 86.220 and 61 cents. Congratulations, Fahid. You won half a dozen eggs. Congratulations. That's actually bigger than if you were to guess the actual daily close and win the $100 prize. A half a dozen eggs. Take a screenshot. Do what you got to do. I'm very, very happy for you. Pretty cool.
why?
Let's see. Let me put him back on the board. Fahid has awakened. Awoken? Is that a word? Very cool. Let's do a quick update. Hoffs is currently in first with 8. Fahid is currently in second with 7. Waterfly is currently in third with 4. Janix is currently in fourth with 3. This is really hard. And then I think Tyler has 2 along with Greg. Yep. There might be somebody else with 2, but I'm not going to remember unless you guys remember. I don't feel like going through the whole thing. Well, they're not here right now, so. All right, that's exciting. Congratulations, Fahid. Enjoy your half a dozen eggs. There might be a 7th one in there. I don't know. It's kind of hard to see.
Why does he win eggs?
Yesterday they were glizzies.
I know they were wieners yesterday. Why are they eggs today?
Because eggs are expensive. Oh, spam the bananas in the chat, guys.
Okay.
Spam the bananas in the chat. Hell yeah. Jay said, let's make this fun. Do a pot, $10 each every Friday. Yeah, but then people have to pay. People have to pay to play? That sucks. It's free right now, and you could win $100. Hoff's got a coffee cup because he guessed over the daily close by a penny twice, which is crazy. Waterfly went, boo! Hoff said, fuck. Fahid said, yes. Canada. Oh, yeah, I have to put that on there. Canadian. Yes, so is Mr. Roberts. They're taking over the leaderboard. Janix, are you Canadian? I have to know. You're legally obligated to tell me. What if I said up Canada to 30% tariffs? Tishu said, Fahid, where did I saw you? You said to Canada, not for sale. Fahid said, donate the eggs to USA. They need them. We are too nice. Waterfly said, who's laughing in the background? That is my fiance, not my mom. Fahid said, yes, LOL, Tishu might have been Maine? I didn't know Trader Maine has a course, and it's $250 a month. So if you guys just send me $100 a month and just exist here, my course is free. Tishu said Maine. I mean, you said so in chat today. Maybe it was in George's? George, I like George. George is good for hopium. Does he have a trading course? Shannon Max said, whoever pays can win the pot. That's actually not a bad idea. Fahid said, oh, it was today. It was probably Tom Crown. Mr. Roberts said, we only have 3 Janix in Canada. If this is one of them, I'll eat my shoe. Waterfly said, your fiance knows you're gay? Janix said, we've had this exact conversation. No, I'm not Canadian. Have we had this conversation? I have to check, man. What if you're lying?
Anything.
What if you're a spy? A Canadian spy posing as an American? I don't know. There's no way for me to tell. You refuse to send your driver's license, social security card, and mother's maiden name. Waterfly said, oh, Chewy makes sense. Chewy said, she is trans, of course, Waterfly. Damn. Fahid said, LOL Janix. Shinamax said, teach how to ask Grok. Jay Shear said, dang, missed the daily close contest. It's okay, Fahid took it. It was a clean sweep. It was actually very close. It was quite entertaining. But he did win half a dozen eggs. This is not for anybody else. Fahid, you do have an escort for when you pick up your eggs. We don't want anybody getting hurt. And it is, the stream is public. People know you're coming to pick the eggs up. So we have a bulletproof case for you to carry them in. We have a vest for you to wear. And we have 2 very large, intimidating men to go with you. So you'll be okay. You'll be good.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Okay.
I just wanted to see who was gonna win.
Fahid won. He's catching up.
I know.
He's Canadian as well.
Yeah, you said that. Okay. Have fun.
Mm-hmm.
Love you.
What if I said, feel like JJ has rainbow tattoo on his head? I might. You guys will have to pay to find out. Chewy said, when face reveal. You guys get to see my face. Jay Shear said, we from Michigan, we're practically Canadian. We're honorary Canadians. What's nice is if Canada takes over, we don't have to worry about anything. They're going to show up and we're going to be like, hey, what's going on, eh? They're going to be like, oh, you're one of us, eh? It's pretty chill. Pretty chill. Shannon Max said, SNEK suits on. Oh, I made myself a SNEK utility belt. I showed it off yesterday. Got to show it off again today. Hang on, I'm going to exit the frame and then I'm going to come back in wearing it. Prepare yourselves. You guys are not ready. It's pretty damn cool. How cool does this look? I told you guys you weren't ready. Whoa. All right, I don't want to get banned from YouTube. Okay. Shannon Max said, don't leave, JJ. Ugh. Wisconsin here? Wisconsin is pretty much Michigan as well. You guys try so hard to be us. Thank you for For the UP, by the way, for not giving a shit that we literally took like a gigantic chunk of your state. You too, Canada. Thank you for the UP. It's pretty cool up there. I've never been. Butterfly said, is that a bomb jacket? Oh, shit. You gonna leave on that? You gonna dance on that pole? What pole? Polygon-matic pole? The Heat said Michigan and Minnesota is welcome to join. Jay Shear said, I'll take it. Oh, The Men in SNEK. The Men in SNEK is actually sick. I love that movie. That trilogy. Teach You said, do you guys consider me crazy if I DCA small amounts into Pole? Or is it a lost cause? See, my brain thinks it's a lost cause, but it's because of that exact thought that my brain is like, well, you should buy some then. Because every time that happens to anything, it explodes. It makes a huge comeback. People make a ton of money. And then everybody else is like, those idiots held Pole for like 10 years. And they made like $1 million. Because they were stupid. You know, everybody gets all upset and butthurt about it. Just like they did with XRP. Just like they did with Cardano. Just like they're going to do with ETH and Sol. Because they're about to dump their bags. Especially ETH. I just like the FUD. Everyone's like, ETH doesn't work anymore. And then it explodes. And they're like, Ethereum's in the reserve, right? And then it dies. So they're going to be like, ETH is dead. They're going to sell their bags. And then this is going to be a W. And it's going to go to 10K. And then everyone's going to be like, they're going to buy back in at like 8K and make like $2,000 per ETH. And then they're going to be like, I told you guys, I held ETH the whole time. I was joking. It was satire when I said I was selling my bag. It's not my fault. You guys didn't get the joke. That's what's going to happen. Mr. Roberts said, nice ammo. Chewy said, stuffed crust tonight. Can you talk some crypto before I go eat? I think I just did. He'd said, am I tied with Hoffs now or still behind? You are behind by 1, my friend. Sheena Max said, crazy. You drive out Wisconsin and Michigan, back to Wisconsin, then Michigan again. How about the Kanye coin, LMFAO? Kanye can eat a D. Is that live yet? Did that happen? Look at the top. Why are you gay? Damn. I didn't know Waterfly made a JJ coin. We got Why Are You Gay? And we also got Please. We got Please with Wait, why is this actually pumping? With JD fans. Are Memecoins back? Wow. 4.6 million. Look at this. This is what happens when you launch a stupid ass meme coin and you don't rug it like an idiot. That's freaking funny, man. Oh, I haven't laughed that hard in a while. My throat hurts so bad, dude. I'm totally sick. There's no way I'm not sick. Bitcoin's currently, oh my god, the eggs, dude. Whoa, that was like a jump scare. Shit. Bitcoin's currently trading at 86,304. Bitcoin dominance at 61.4. We got an indecisive candle on the 4-hour right here. Very nice. So we might get a little dumpy poo on Bitcoin dominance. Ethereum turning a little green. Sol turning a little green. Total 3 turning a little green. ADA still red. SNEK still red. XRP turning a little green. HBAR green. And SWE green. I fully expect HBAR to cure cancer and go up because that's what I was told was going to happen. Let me check the chat really quick. Oh, my nose. Jim Derringer said, anyone thought the pump was real got wrecked? I mean, this is why you either take profits or you just don't FOMO at the tops. Janik said, is Tate running his X account now? Last week he was just following Bark. Now he's following Tate? Can't be him. I don't know, man. Maybe the Bark meta people got caught and they're just trying to like play weird, crazy games now. I have no idea. Jim Derringer said, yeah, memes are back. Market is stale again. Dude, that just the fact that I can go on here and pick a random stupid funny thing and it's pumping and it's like sustaining a pump means memes are back, in my opinion. Gay is hilarious. Please is hilarious. Yeah, The rest of these kind of blow ass, I'm not going to lie. But gay and please make me happy. We got Buttcoin. That kind of goes with gay. Fartcoin could also technically go with Buttcoin and gay. Oh, we got another iteration of Please. I'm pretty sure that's just a different liquidity pool. Deep could go with gay. I'm gonna get in trouble. Fartcoin again. Hooters. Okay, here we go. We're getting into the straight stuff. Rest in peace, Hooters. They're filing for bankruptcy. Somebody said something really great. They were like change the outfits to like make them goth, and they had a really funny name too, and call it something Spookers, I think. And it'll save it. And I was like, damn, that's actually a good idea. HBAR is up 1.29%. Is the market gonna rebound and erase? Gosh, the eggs scare me every time, man. Jim Darren just said gay army pumping. Dude, what if gay flipped everything? Like legit. What if gay people just showed up in crypto and like showed us all how to manage money and pump coins? That would be fucking hilarious. Janix. Yep, I read that. Okay. Gay army pumping. Yeah, I think that would be great. Honest to God. That would make me so happy. And then JD Vance comes out. He's like, I'm gay, and I'm the one who's running the gay Twitter account. And then everybody buys even more, and suddenly, like, there's world peace. Because the conservatives, like, turned gay. You know how crazy that would be? That actually reminds me of that really funny meme. Tishu said, look at near Coinbase chart 5 minute. It's stuck right now. Look at time, compare with Binance. And then Jim said, I don't know. Can we look at Immaculate Scam Wick on gay? Is there... Wait a minute. Whoa! Oh my gay. That is an Immaculate Scam Wick. That's impressive, dude. I never thought I would be observing a large wick on gay on a live stream on YouTube with 10 other dudes. Damn. I love that you can hear this meme. That's how you know it's a good meme. Is this the same guy? There's another meme where the guy's like, I will snap my fingers and you will forget that you were ever gay. And then he snaps his fingers and the guy's like, wait a minute, I'm not gay. And he's like, uh-huh. And he's like, no, I never was gay. And he's like, I know. It's so funny. It's so good. Damn, what a crazy wick. What a gay wick. Very impressive. It's very gay. All right, we're getting lost. We're getting lost in the memes. Yeah, Tishu said, look at near. I'm sorry, I got lost. It was, we were gay for a second. Gay for gay. Look at near on Coinbase. Okay, so compared to Binance right now, we're at 0. If it's stuck, that just means that no one has bought it. Yeah, this just means that no one's bought it, man. Okay, so wait, let me go to lower time frames. How long has it been? So we're at 21. What? Stop. No one has bought near on Coinbase for 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3. No one has bought near on Coinbase for 3 hours. Wow. Hoff said, do a poll. Would you become gay if it meant your portfolio moons? No, that's an awful poll. That just means that people are single or in a relationship that makes them unhappy. And they're probably gay. Jay Shear said, only here in JJ's corner. What if I said stop being gay? What's fear and greed at? my fucking throat hurts, man. Whoa! Hey, they're finally telling the truth. Extreme fear, we're at 15. Look at yesterday was suddenly fear. I don't think they know what their actual site is presenting. But I'll take it. You know, I'll take what I can get. These people are fucking morons. We're currently at 15 extreme fear on the fear and greed index. Let's go check the one on CoinMarketCap as well. Gosh, I can't type. CoinMarketCap fear and greed is at 24. Interesting. It's cool to see it overlaid with the price. Look at that volume. Look at that volume uptick right there. That's sick. Ever since November, man. November, people aren't playing around anymore. Was that the ETF approval? No, it had been before that. Okay, we got some crazy random news to go through. UFC CEO Dana White's Power Slap signs sponsorship deal with blockchain network VeChain. Let's go take a look at VeChain really quick. Near has not traded on Coinbase in 3 hours. That's very concerning. Is it going to get delisted? I don't know. Bath posted something about them like doing some terrorist shit or something. I don't know. What was I looking up? VeChain, VET, USDT. We got the legacy fractal on VeChain. Has it recoupled? No. No, it has not. Damn. Okay, VeChain is maybe dead, potentially. No recoupling. Does not look like it's going to come anytime soon. Maybe this is it. No, that's not going to recouple either. Yep. VeChain just looks like crap. I don't know, man. Did they get anything out of that? At least they have money for a sponsorship. They're not like completely rugged and like garbage, trash morons. So that's nice. But man, it is like bear market lows right now. VeChain sucks. So that's exciting. I don't know what Power Slap is. I'm assuming it's those like videos of people literally slapping the shit out of each other until they pass out, which are incredibly entertaining. Highly recommend. Bitwise has filed for a spot Dogecoin ETF with the New York Stock Exchange earlier today. Exciting stuff. We got the SEC ending their investigation into Yuga Labs Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT sale. I don't know why they would ever investigate this. That's the dumbest thing in the world I've ever heard of. But that's exciting. Trump deployer connected address buying 2 million of Trump. A wallet that received Trump coins directly from the deployer has just deployed range liquidity pool between 12.7 and 17.9. This includes 2 million USDC, which will be used to acquire Trump if the price declines. So far, they have acquired 170,000 Trump and will acquire the full 2 million if the price falls to $12.70. And they have the data to back that information. Highly recommend, if you guys are not, to follow Arkham on X. And if you're not on X, what are you doing? FTX Alameda Estate wallets have received $430 million worth of Solana. I don't know if that's to be distributed to people who are owed it or if that's for liquidity. I have no idea what that's for. No clue, but thought that was interesting. And then we got Fidelity buying $100 million worth of Bitcoin, which I'm assuming anytime any of these big banks buy anything, it's because of the ETF inflows. Shield your eyes. We got Cointelegraph coming up. SEC dropped a lawsuit against Kraken, ending politically motivated campaign. I don't know how many more lawsuits they had. I thought that they were done, but I'd be interested in knowing what other lawsuits they have. Blockchain broadcast with TJ Miller. That's interesting. Traders longing Cardano futures spike after Trump's crypto reserve reveal. Bit true. That does not surprise me. And U.S. members of Congress to launch bipartisan congressional crypto caucus. That's a fun name. I don't know what that means, what that matters, who cares. They're probably going to take forever to do anything, but let's see. Prevent the next FTX, safeguard consumers, cement the U.S. as global leader in finance and technology, and promote secure, innovative, and inclusive financial future. Hell yeah, I like the sound of that. Hopefully they don't fuck it up. And then the last one, Donald Trump will declare 0% income tax in crypto in the United States tonight. And that is today. So we'll see if that happens. It says it's a rumor specifically. I don't think that that would make a difference in the price at the moment because we're already pretty dumpy. Gosh, the eggs are so intrusive. We're already pretty dumpy, and income tax isn't going to matter for like another 10 months. So nobody cares right now if they announce that. And that rumor has been floating around already, so it's kind of going to be a nothing burger if they announce it so soon. But I don't know. Who knows, man? We'll see. We'll see. Looks like the market is starting to recover. Congratulations, Fahid, once again on your half a dozen eggs. Very cool. Tishu said that's what it means. That's what means. Jim Derringer said near did put in a higher low. Oh yes, Tishu, that is exactly what that means. That means on Coinbase nobody has bought or sold near in the last 3 hours. When the chart does not update like that on one exchange versus the other. It's also possible that they shut down trading on near for maintenance or something. But usually when that happens, the chart will update and it will just flatline all the way along the way. So, I don't know. Which I guess would technically still mean nobody's bought or sold it. But yeah, that is what that means. Jim Derringer said near did put in a higher low on that lower time frame, and from the oversold zone, rescue bounce might be nice. They want single digit fear before we go anywhere. Tishu said chart is moving on Coinbase itself charts. The anomaly is on TradingView. Interesting. Maybe it's a TradingView problem then. Hoff said, I noticed that some TradingView charts weren't working right today. Near looks fine on Coinbase. Is it a flat line? Let me go check. Off screen. I hate it when I type. Everything starts with coin. I have to type the whole damn address. I accidentally bought more crypto than I intended earlier. Yeah, it does look fine. Interesting. What time is it right now? 7:654, so it would be 4 something. I mean, it looks actually pretty flat here. I'm not sure. It's got to be on TradingView's end then. That's got to be exactly what it is. So Bitcoin's currently trading at 86,594 and 18 cents. Market is looking at potentially green. Everyone was losing their mind earlier, and now everyone's quiet because it looks like we're potentially reversing, which is lovely. But I think we're all kind of holding our breath, waiting to see what happens. I will say, and it's the repeating liquidity thing. We have this spike down and this spike up, like very similar. It just looks like there was more volume out of this spike right here specifically. Hoff said, when next live trade? Probably when I'm not actively dying. I'm not even in any trades myself at the moment. I'm thinking about it, but I don't know if I can babysit them. My head is like exploding. But I do plan on doing live trades, obviously. Because we got money for live trades, specifically from Super Chats. Which, by the way, I'm not sure how I get the money from YouTube. I don't know if it takes like a month. Like the AdSense thing is not updating, but I don't know. I'm looking into it. Tishu said, look at the Moonwell diagonal support on the daily. Will it bounce? Diagonal support on the daily. This? Diagonal support on the daily. That? Is that what you're talking about? Are you talking about... I don't know. What is this? When did I draw this? This doesn't really have any rhyme or reason. Offset should have stayed short. On Doge, I should have. I really should have. That would have been beautiful. Oh my gosh, the pink line too, damn it. 16%? What was I doing? 20x? Holy crap, I don't even want to know, man. 20 times 16, 320%. So I would have had 84 bucks. Damn, that sucks. What a wussy ass move. To be fair, it was supposed to be a live trade. Although that would have been sick to be able to start the stream and be like, check it out. Gotta be logarithmic. Oh, I don't like logarithmic scale. I'll go and do it though. Moonwell. Okay, log scale. How do I switch to that? There we go. Logarithmic. Okay. Log scale. I mean, it's possible, but that's on log. And I have zero experience with log scale. Let's see. So, okay, yeah, that fits nicely with the candle bodies there. Yeah, could. It very well could. Oh. The creepy siren is going off where I live. I would honestly, I don't know what the hell this accumulation zone is that I drew. There really isn't any rhyme or reason to it, but I'm going to leave it here just in case it has correlation. But I don't know. I guess it looks like there's resistance. There's not a lot of correlation with this at all anywhere. Points of confluence. I don't know. I don't know. Offset, I don't understand what log scale is. I really don't either. Waterfly said you have a creepy siren. So they switched our tornado siren from like a normal ass tornado siren to like a fucking like nuke siren, and it's really eerie now. I don't know why they switched it. I don't know if something happened to the old one or some crap, but just out of nowhere, we're like, because we're used to the regular siren. We've been living here for like 12 years. And out of nowhere, one weekend, it's just a completely different siren, and it's like really creepy. And we were like, what the fuck is that? Teach you said just find it interesting. I've been patient on it, but too risky for me. That's how I feel about the entire market. Jim Derringer said signals were there. You get a Sunday move like that, expect Wall Street to take it all back. You'd be surprised. In the bull market, Sundays, the weekends are usually fun. Hoff said, I don't understand what log scale is. Mr. Robert said, I think today was definitely a false move. I'm biased, though, because I went real long at 80K. Play the siren. What do you mean play it? It was just going off outside. I'd have to record it. I bet you I could, actually. I don't know. We've been going for over an hour, so I'm probably gonna call it. See if I can get better. Look at that. HBAR is finally making a move. Let's go. Thank God. Waterfly said, looking to add some ETH if it can get close to 2K. I mean, what's a $140 difference gonna make? What are you adding, like $2 million to your position? Congratulations, Fahid, once again for winning the daily close contest. And your half a dozen eggs. Guys, unfortunately, I feel like crap, so I'm probably going to call it a night. If I feel better and Bitcoin starts to do anything crazy, if Bitcoin starts to do anything real crazy, I will hop back on. Otherwise, I will see you all tomorrow. I appreciate you guys for joining me. Smash the like button on your way out. Share the stream with your like-minded crypto friends, and I will see you all tomorrow. Good night.